Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today we've got a floss tube update. I've stitched on 2 projects, so I'll show you those. First of all, I want to send virtual hugs to Linda, Chrissy, Rainbows and Stitching, Judith, Cardiff Stitcher Danielle, and Paper Inspirations. Thank you very much for all your lovely comments. I really do appreciate it. So we've got a little bit to get through, not too much. So we will get into it. So first of all, I want to show you my travel stitching, which is my piece that I'm doing with the Fat Quarter Shop, and it is, I'll take it out of there because the glare. HandsOnDesign Season 2, A Year of Celebrations continues, which is this piece, and I'm way behind on this. I'm still working on the little December block, which is this one here. Last time you saw it, I'd only done a couple of stitches. I'd done all the top part, but a couple of stitches on the snow. So I'd only done a couple of little tiny bits up here, but I've since done all the snow up there, the 3 rooftops, and then I've started one of the houses. So I need to catch up. So that is that piece. Put that back in there. Now, what else? And then the other piece I worked on was that I did my stitch with me last week, was Miss Ladybug by Nora Corbett, and she will look like that when she's finished. So I was doing some of the red in the stitch with me, but I've since gone on and done a little bit more. So let me put that behind there. So this is where she's up to now. I've put in some of the white that's coming in through the middle of her dress where it sort of overlaps. So only a little bit more, not too much. But that is where I'm up to with those. So that's all the stitching I've done. Nothing very exciting at all. I've got no haul. I have got a fully finished object, which I'll show you. I haven't mounted it completely onto the board, but I'll show you what it's going to look like when it is. I'm thinking I might do magnets and washers because I may be able to use this board for other things. So it's a bit awkward. So that's my finish. That's mounted onto what's it called? Like a mat board on the brown. So I'll take that off now. So that's mat board, that one, the brown fabric, and it's just a very autumnal fabric, which I thought went nicely with it. And then that's got fusible fleece and mat board as well. And then I've put these little tiny brads in each of the corners, which sort of represent nails. So when it's on the other board, it will look like it's nailed on there, but it won't be. So that is my fully finished Lizzie Kate Wouldn't Life Be Great piece. What else? What else? Plans. I don't really have any stitching plans for this week. Maybe some more on Miss Ladybug. I haven't yet decided. So Oh, but I also wanted to show you this, which is stitchy related. I do a lot of hand stitching and slow stitching and all sorts of bits and pieces, and I think last year I made a big stitching pillow for in my room, because I'm a reclining stitcher. I like to have my feet up and be comfortable. I struggle to sit at my desk and stitch. It's not comfortable. So, but for the purpose of my slow stitching, and if I'm filming a stitching piece at my desk, the other pillow was going to be too big. It's bigger than my head, is ginormous. But I've made a smaller one that is just perfect to sit on my desk, and this pattern that I followed is from Anna on Quilt Roadies. I'll link her tutorial in the description box, and the same with the other one I made. Hers is all quilted and very fancy. Mine's just 2 bits of fabric with some stuffing. So, but this is my little stitching pillow with my New Zealand fabric, which I absolutely love. So that was my other little crafty thing I'd done. So that is that. Now we've got a giveaway. So because I finished Wouldn't Life Be Great, Lizzie Kate, I decided to give it away, and I have got another little bowl cozy. I've taken them all out of the kitchen, so nobody's going to have any soon, with the entries in there. So I just wanted to say too, so with the giveaways that I do, I would like you to be a public subscriber, and I checked this morning and only 2 of the 5 entries were publicly subscribed. So next time I do a giveaway, if you're not publicly subscribed, then I won't be putting your entry into the draw, but for this week I will. Okay, so let us pick out a winner. Right, I've got one there. Let's have a look and see who it is. Dun dun dun. It is Judith. Congratulations, Judith. You have won the chart, Lizzie Kate, Wouldn't Life Be Great? If you could send me a message on Instagram, or I will comment on your comment on the video and get in touch with me, and I will post out your chart. So congratulations, thank you to everybody who entered, and yeah, we'll have another giveaway soon. So I think that's it from me today. I haven't got anything else to share. I've been filming, uploading every day, which has been really good. Back to work this afternoon, so I've got a few more things to do before then. So I hope you all have a wonderful crafty week, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.